Okay, so we have the user manual in the Nextcloud, where you can see the link for accessing the Visual Data Preprocessing tool. So once you select this, you will be directed to the login page where you will need to enter your credentials. I have done this already to not waste time. So after that, you will be directed to choose a project from the list of projects. For now, we will go with the school project because it is the only one that has quality control tasks. So we select the school project. Okay, no, now why it's not working? I hope DTP didn't change anything. Okay, so here we can see that there are two quality control tasks. One is of type geometric quality control, and the other one is of visual quality control. We will start with the visual quality control. So by selecting it, we can see the list of elements that need to be inspected in this task. Here is the list of the elements, but now we are also trying to create a viewer in order to visualize them better in the 3D model. I will show you later what we have done so far. So by selecting, let's say, the first element, here you can upload a photo or a video. I will start with the video. For both images and the videos, we have some guidelines how to photograph the site and how to take videos. So now I will upload one video that we have, and it's creating a panorama image from the video. We need to wait a bit. So now this is the panorama image that it was created from the video. And if we want to process this image, we select this button. Okay. So now we have the image and we can do whatever processing is available here in this tool. First, let's start with the cropping. We can select an aspect ratio or we can define it however we want. So let's crop it not to see the shoes and this black from outside. We crop the image and now we can apply some more filters here. Let's say contrast and brightness in order to see the crack better.
Yes, sorry for the interruption. Yesterday we were talking with Vasilis about this. Probably this is the better way to do it, to reduce the brightness and do it more, you can see the edges and the cracks more intensive, let's say.
And after we do all the processing we need, we press the Add Image button. So usually for the task, we need to enter an image or a video for all the necessary elements. Maybe they are not all the elements that are on the list, but the most crucial ones. So I will show you also a more easy way for just an image uploading, because the video you saw that it needs to be converted to an image and then do the processing. So let's select another element and we upload just one photo. Let's select this. And here, usually we need images that are lower dimensions to be more easily handled. So we recommend to resize this image and try to keep the ratio. So we will do 2000 to 1500, and we resize the image, and this image is now resized. We don't need any cropping. Let's do also the contrast and brightness to have the crack more vivid.
Vasilis, maybe and a little bit lower, or 2000. I believe
No,
that also it could be
fine.
also, yes, and
It could
1000
be
also.
less. It could be less, yes, but we
Yes.
don't need 4000.
Yes, of course.
Yes, so we add the image and we do the procedure. We repeat the procedure for all the elements or for the necessary ones. And after we do for every element, there is this button to save and upload to DTP, and all this information, the images, the video, the images and their metadata are sent to DTP in order then to go to the visual quality control tool and have the results of that tool. So yeah, we press the send, there is a confirmation message, we proceed. And now everything was sent to the Digital Twin platform. And now we will show you for the geometric quality control.
So sorry for the interruption
Yes.
again. This alert message is about is a warning that once you have uploaded, you cannot add any other images in this task. So if you have to upload in a task, you have to be sure that you have uploaded all the images related to this task. Otherwise, some images, they will not be added in this task. Okay.
Yes. And one more note that I remembered, if you select again the visual quality control, here you can see all the elements that have been linked to an image. And as well, Digitar, the other tool that CERT is developing, is also uploading images for this task. So here you can select one task that you haven't seen and see that there are already some images uploaded, and they will be uploaded from the Digitar. And you can send the information for this task only from the visual data preprocessing tool, not from the Digitar. I don't know if you understood what I said, because these tasks are common for both tools. And this task information can be sent only from this user interface.
Okay, you mean you finalize the task and send the images to DT platform only from the visual data preprocessing UI. From the Digitar, they can take the pictures
the images
and
but
link,
not send them.
Yes, link the images with these elements, but to send the images to the DT platform for quality control, you have to do it from this interface.
Yes. So now we will showcase the the geometric quality control task. So we select the geometric quality control. Here we can also see the list of elements, but in this use case, we don't need to link one point cloud to one element. It's not a one-to-one relationship, but we just need to scan all the elements that are in this list. So here we can upload the files, the point clouds that we have scanned from the site. We have some demo point clouds for now. Let's take the first two. And for these point clouds, we need to assign a timestamp when it was scanned. So for now, for simplicity, I will select this date right now. Let's say you can select everything, the month, the day, the time, everything. So I think this procedure is much easier on this user interface. You upload the point cloud files and then you assign the timestamp. So after we press this button, all this data, the files, the metadata are going to Digital Twin platform. And after that, they will be sent to the geometric quality control tool in order to have the results. So if I press save and upload, everything is sent to Digital Twin platform. And now I want to show you the viewers that we have, but I have not deployed them because they are still under testing, and we have some issues that I will explain to you. So this is again the local version of the Digital Twin platform. I will go with the school project again. So we need to select one, let's say this. And for the viewer, I have this model, but this model is from the school project and is from an IFC file. And here it is the list of elements that we saw before. And by selecting one, let's say the first, we can see that it is here. It's this column. It's colored. And we can select everything in order to visualize where the element is located. The problem now is that with the IFC file from the Munich site, it has some unsupported curves, and this image, this library that we are using, that is IFC.js, does not support. So I cannot visualize the Munich site with this viewer. And I have done some testings with the OBJ file, but I still cannot manage to have this selection of elements. I can showcase to you. What I have done so far. This is from the OBJ file, but I still have issues with selecting the elements and color them and do the same as the previous viewer. That's the main issue on the viewer, is that the IFC file is not supported, and now we are testing with the OBJ file that UCL has created for us. I don't know if you have any other questions about the usage of this tool.
Thank you, everyone. That was a good demonstration, and I think we can continue here from here on. Yeah.